Hello and all. If you have a simple tkinter project like this one, if you want, when you click on print, a command will run, and this command have a parameter, and you don't know how to pass in a parameter in the command, since if you tried putting it something like this, name, I mean, if you try something like this for and enter the command hey, the command like this, it won't run correctly. It will just print hey, even though you didn't click it. So how to fix it? So there's a simple solution you can use, which is something called lambda. And to use lambda, all you need to type after equal is lambda like this. LAMBDA. Then the command name. Then just here insert your string of hey or parameter and hit it. Doesn't print it, and when you click it, it runs it. And this is how you can add a parameter to your button command. I hope this video helped you. If it helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more. Thank you very much.